Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1960 Bel Air. We're gonna be taking down the road for a test drive. Does have a 283 under the hood with power steering. It's also got the patina paint job. It's schemed up all over with Riddler wheels. Disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. We have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride, inside and out. I have shipping and financing available. Okay. All right, guys. We're about to take off down the road. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Going to check out the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? Seat's in great shape. Same with the back seat. Looks great. Package trays nice and clean. Headliner, bit older, wrinkled in some spots. Still looks good. Looking across the dash, it does have some chips and scratches. It's not perfect. Let's go ahead and start her up. Show you the mileage here. Shows 87,000. Can't stand behind that. Gas gauge is reading about a quarter tank. We'll be watching to see if that floats around. Radio is on and not working. Blower motor is on. It does work. Wipers. Wipers are gonna need some work. They're not cutting on. Horn. You ready? There's no spring in this one. Okay, let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay, so we're getting ready to take off down the road here. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. So I'll open up the little vent window. Looks like the actual pedal is missing down there. Make sure I'm in drive here. I think I am. It took a while to shift, so I'm wondering if it's got a big shift kit in it. We'll try that one more time. Does have a big shift kit. Okay. Didn't expect that in this ride, but we're about to find out. The blinkers are a little bit gritty, but both of them are working. This is the first time I've driven this ride. Usually when I make these videos, I just jump in and do everything in real time, learn about the cars with y'all. Okay. Speedometer is not coming up on the dash here. This car is pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, I go to the left. As far as tight steering, it feels tight. Somebody's behind us. Let's get on the brakes. The brakes are stopping pretty fast. Feel pretty good. Don't want that guy running all up on me. What are you doing? Let's see here. Does feel like the kickdown's hooked up. there to the left. They still got the road all messed up on me. I don't feel like riding this through a bunch of dust. So we'll keep visiting the old church parking lot here. We'll get some outside shots. Also drive over the camera, light up the undercarriage, and maybe even do a walk around video over here of this car. Be sure to look below in the description. That way you can see all of the gear that I use to make these videos. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we just did the walk around video, checked all the blinkers and stuff. Everything's working except for the horn and the wipers. I did notice something else that wasn't working correctly, is this temperature gauge. It just kept on climbing. The motor's not that hot. I've done checked it out. It's fine. So that gauge is bad and is not reading correctly. I'll tell you what, let's just go this way. I haven't been this way in a while. This car is low to the ground. Crazy low. Coming through the neighborhood. Gotta manually turn off the turn signals. A little bumpy in the front end where it's been lowered so much. So if I was to rate this suspension, I'd probably give it about a 3 or a 4 out of 10. Because any decent bumps, bang, I think there's one coming up here. That's not too bad. Still keep my rating of a 4 out of 10 on the suspension. I was saying something about the suspension yesterday, and a guy thought I was rating the whole car. That was the front end hitting a decent bump. But it's actually not as aggressive as it sounds when we hit those bumps. Took the long way around. It's a nice day to be out cruising, that's for sure. Definitely gonna get as many test drives as I can today. Gas gauge is moving around, just kind of indicating to me that it's working, the float's moving, so. So as far as everything not working, I'd say temperature gauge, wipers, speedo, and radio, and horn. Wonder if we can feel the speed bump still. The speed bump kind of got flattened out due to the snowstorm. Just kind of picked the highest point of it. Probably here in the middle. It's still there a little bit. It's about as even as some of them bumps on the road now. There we go. All right, one last stretch here before we go back. Okay, we're gonna cruise back through Brian's Motorsports parking lot here and head on back to the lot. He's literally right down the road from Maple Motors. Looks like they got a little bit of a thrift store down here now. These guys do wheels, tires, parts, accessories. I think about the only thing they don't do is paint, but they do wraps. Check them out, briansmotorsports.com. If you buy a car from us, you can get all of that done and get it set up. I've had a lot of people from California get it set up before they even ship the car out of here. Okay, we're pulling back up to the car lot. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I make them pretty much daily, so hit that subscribe button. We'll try to help you out. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Also, go to maplemotors.com to see all of our current inventory. Financing and shipping options are available. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share this video, and I'll thank you in advance. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.